Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the forever winter game black screen or stuck on loading screen issue. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So the first solution is check system requirement. Ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirement for the forever winter game. If your hardware is underpowered, it may cause issue with loading or rendering. Now the second solution is update graphic drivers. Ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel outdated driver are common cause of black screen issues in game. So once you update your driver, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game and then check. Now the third solution is run as administrator. So simply open up the Steam, then just click on the gear icon of your game, then click on the properties. Now just click on the install file, then just click on the browse option. Now here just locate your the forever winter game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it, click on the properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box of run as administrator and just uncheck this box of compatibility mode and also check this box of disable full screen optimization. Then click on apply, then launch the game and check. Now if your problem is still not fixed, then just check this box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Then click on the apply, then click on the OK, then launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then disable overlay. Disable any third-party overlay like Steam, Discord, or GeForce Experience, as these can sometimes cause conflict and lead to black screen. Now you also need to make sure if you have the Discord installed on your PC, then just disable Discord overlay. So once you disable it, then launch the game and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if not, then verify game files. Simply open up your game property, then just click on the install files, then just click on the verify integrity of game files. Now simply launch the game again, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution is adjust display settings. Switch the game to windowed mode by editing the game configuration files. If you cannot access the in-game settings, sometimes full screen mode can cause black screen issues. And guys, you also need to make sure that your game resolution is same as your Windows resolution. Go to the Windows set, type the resolution and open it. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of display resolution. Just select it to the resolution that matches your game resolution. So once you select it, then launch the game again and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then just the next solution is disable antivirus. Some antivirus program might block game files, causing the game to not load correctly. Temporarily disable your antivirus to see if this resolve the issues or add the game to your antivirus expectation list. Now go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows security and simply open it. Now here click on the virus and just scroll down, click on the manage ransomware protection and just turn off the control folder access. Once you turn it off, then launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can also turn off your Windows security and also turn off your Windows Defender firewall, then launch the game and then check. Now if your problem is still not fixed, then you can simply turn on your Windows Defender firewall or also the real-time protection. Now, the non-solution is update or reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. This is not very important, so just skip it. So you just need to make sure that your Windows is updated. So simply open up the Windows Update and just update your Windows, then restart the PC, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game. This can resolve corrupted files or faulty installation that are causing the black screen or loading screen. Now, I hope one of the solutions fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.